Welcome back. Government has decided to go ahead with a 100 crore worth garbage treatment plant at Calangute for the coastal belt of North. The plant will be built with German technology. Tender will be floated in the first week of August. Government wants to construct similar garbage treatment plant in the South Goa, but the site is yet to be identified. Surprisingly, government is mum on the Bainguinim site.
Common garbage treatment facility has to be created, for which administrative department, science technology kami identify केल्या आणि GSIDC to execute the project. So now by tentative तारीख अशी म्हणला की ऑगस्टाच्या फर्स्ट विकान तरी टेंडर भायर सरतले for selecting the contractor. Estimated price is about 85 crores plus equipments and construction is about 85 crores. Plus maybe another 10 crores for some other facilities, road. 100 koti the project each.
One is our side, that is Calangute, where garbage treatment plant will be established. We want a garbage treatment plant. I am fighting for it for such a long time. I am very happy that Honorable Chief Minister has taken a firm decision that this treatment plant will be started immediately. See, the garbage treatment plant is coming on the plateau of Calangute, coming in North Goa for the North Coastal Belt.
Okay.
This is good. We will see how it works, how it functions, because Chief Minister has seen it himself in Germany.
A 29-year-old lad committed suicide by hanging himself to a ceiling fan at Naudurga Apartments in Kurti, Ponda. His mother also hung herself few minutes later when she discovered that her son is no more. Tragedy struck upon Venji family on Monday morning.
Amresh Venji, a 29-year-old lad, was mentally unstable for past few months. Following his suicidal tendency, his father removed all the latches of his bedroom door to ensure that Amresh remained under watch of the family. Amresh was showing some signs of improvement in last few days. This made his father to refit all the door latches, but what Venji family had anticipated about Amresh came true on Monday. He hung himself to the ceiling fan after his father left for the work. His mother kept on knocking the door, but he did not open the door. Sukanti Venji got sure that her son was no more. She also went to another room and hung herself. Mother had earlier warned Amresh that she would also follow him if he commits suicide. Amresh Venji is survived by his father, a brother and a sister. Ponda police conducted the Panchanama. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Yet again, the students of Chogale High Secondary School were protesting against the college management on Monday. They complained that they cannot avail any facilities in the college premises, nor can they use any infrastructure. The agitated students have also objected to the change in school timetable. Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai says Chogale High Secondary is moving towards slow and sure death.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
This was the scene on Monday at Chogale High Secondary School. Students were seen demonstrating against the college management. The agitated students claimed that they have no forum to put forth their grievances. Neither the principal takes cognizance of their grievances.
Principal mentioning all our grievances on 16 July 2013. We expected the answer on 18 July, but he has not yet replied. It is almost a week past. Whom are we gonna ask about our problems? Who should we go? Principal is not answering. But I don't find this is a college running smoothly.
The new timetable says that the classes will end at 6:30 and it is unsafe for the girls at that time to go home. Secondly, the new timetable says that 6 periods are continuous without break, and that is not, we cannot concentrate for such a long hour. The third thing is that we are paying 7,000 student services, but we do not know what are the services given to us.
Meanwhile, Fathoda MLA Vijay Sardesai has blamed the government for the crisis. He says that government is not clear on its stand.
Chogale College एक स्लो आणि शुअर डेथ येवपाक चालू आहा, आणि वो process seems to be irreversible, becoming irreversible because of the reluctance of the government to clearly act on this. And म्हाका दिसता की चौगुलेचो एक फॅमिली मेंबर विश्व हिंदू परिशदान एक मेजर पोजिशन घेवन आहा. हेच कारण आसूंक शकता कित्याक हो सरकार ताचेर सॉफ्ट वता.
Pratik Parab and Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Governor of the state Bharatveer Vanshu feels that there is a urgent need for upgradation of standards of education. He was speaking at the two-day international conference on education and social justice underway at the International Centre organized by St. Xavier's College. Meanwhile, Governor reviewed steps taken to prevent ragging in educational institutions at the state-level meeting of Anti-Ragging Monitoring Cell held on Monday at Raj Bhavan.
By quoting Mahatma Gandhi, who said, and I quote, "You must be the change you wish to see in the world," unquote. I'm indeed pleased with the very relevant topic that you have chosen for this conference, which links education to social justice. India has the third largest education system in the world after China and the US. The university and college enrollments account for only 14% of the eligible age group of 18 to 23 years, which you would all agree is grossly inadequate. There is therefore a crying need for rapid expansion of educational institutions and augmenting the additional capacity in the existing institutions, besides improving the quality of education at every level. The critical responsibility of our educational institutions to necessarily inject strong moral values into the veins of the growing intellectuals at various levels. I am confident that the discussions of this conference will pave the way for drawing up a very useful program and framework for educational advancement with particular focus on Goa. I have great pleasure in inaugurating the conference and in wishing your deliberations all success.
Meanwhile, Governor reviewed steps taken to prevent ragging in educational institutes at a state-level meeting of Anti-Ragging Monitoring Cell held on Monday at Raj Bhavan. The Governor emphasized that all educational institutions should remain alert and careful to avoid the occurrence of ragging. Principal of Goa College of Engineering discussed the issue of ragging, which has appeared in a daily newspaper, and informed the Governor that the investigation is being conducted. Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.